Deserts are some of the driest and most extreme environments on Earth. What makes a desert isn't heat. It's lack of water. To be considered a desert, an area must receive less than 25 centimeters, or 10 inches, of rain per year. Because of this, deserts lose more moisture than they gain, creating harsh conditions that shape everything living there. There are 4 main types of deserts, and each forms for a different reason. Hot deserts are the ones most people imagine. These include the Sahara and the Arabian Desert. They have scorching daytime temperatures that can reach over 50 degrees Celsius, or 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Nights, however, can drop sharply because dry air doesn't hold heat. Cold deserts include places like the Gobi Desert and even Antarctica. These deserts stay cold year-round, but they're still deserts because they receive almost no precipitation. Antarctica is actually the largest desert on Earth. Coastal deserts form along cold ocean currents. The air is cool and dry, so it doesn't produce rain. The Atacama Desert in Chile is the best example. Some parts haven't seen rainfall for centuries. Rain shadow deserts form when mountains block moist air. As air rises over the mountains, it loses moisture. By the time it reaches the other side, it's dry. This creates deserts like the Great Basin in the United States. Even though deserts seem empty, they're full of life adapted to survive extreme dryness. Plants like cacti store water in their stems, grow deep roots, and have tiny or no leaves to reduce water loss. Some plants stay dormant for years and only bloom after rare rainfall. Animals have their own strategies. Camels can go long periods without water and store fat in their humps for energy. Fennec foxes stay active at night to avoid heat. Desert tortoises spend most of their lives underground. Even insects like the Namib beetle collect water from fog using their shells. Deserts also come in many shapes. Only about 20% are covered in sand dunes. The rest are rocky plains, gravel fields, salt flats, and bare bedrock. Wind shapes the landscape, creating dunes, smoothing rocks, and causing dust storms. When rain does fall, it can create sudden flash floods or temporary lakes. Deserts cover over 1/5 of Earth's land and appear on every continent. Many form on 30 degrees latitude, because global wind patterns push dry air downward in those regions. Despite their harshness, deserts are important. More than 1 billion people live in or near desert regions. They contain unique wildlife, rare plants, and valuable minerals. Scientists also study deserts to understand climate change and even search for clues about life on Mars. And sometimes, deserts surprise us. Places like the Atacama can experience super blooms, where rare rainfall triggers thousands of flowers to appear across the landscape. Deserts may look empty, but they're full of extreme beauty, survival, and science.